read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum, Sayyida Maryam Naqvi's here from the Moonlight International Publishers. Respected parents, how are you? I hope you all are fine and doing well. In the class today, we tried to teach number 14 to the students. But at home, how could you develop the sense of counting in the students? So, I will guide you. Okay, on the table, we will keep 10 pencils. Yes, you're right. And 4 sharpeners. 10 and 4, 14. 10 and 1, 11. 10 and 2, 12. 10 and 3, 13. 10 and 4, 14. Okay, let's come with me. We are going outside for nature walk. We will bring different kinds of leaf. Some could be big and small as well. Let's bring with me. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 big leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4 small leaves. 10 and 4, 14. 10 and 1, 11. 10 and 2, 12. 10 and 3, 13. 10 and 4, 14. Yes, like this. Now, I will tell you that how you will guide that how could we write number 14? I will tell you the formation of number 14. Our kids know very well about number 1, about number 4, how to write. Okay? अब हम उनको सिखाएंगे कि नंबर 14 लिखते किस तरह है. मैंने आपको बताया कि घर पर हम किस तरह बच्चों को नंबर 14 सिखा सकते हैं. पहले हमेशा की तरह हमने काउंट करने का सेंस डेवलप करना है, उसके बाद हमने लिखना सिखाना है. ओके, इस तरह उनकी जो लर्निंग स्किल्स हैं वो एनहांस भी होंगी और काउंट के बाद राइट करने का सेंस डेवलप होगा. बेसिक जो है वो मैथ्स है भी ये कि फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू काउंट, आफ्टर दैट वी हैव टू राइट द नंबर. सो हमने 10 बिग लीव्स लिए, 4 स्मॉल लीव्स लिए और उनको काउंट किया. अब हम सिखाएंगे कि हाउ टू राइट नंबर 14. स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द डॉट, कम स्ट्रेट डाउन, इट विल मेक नंबर 1. Start from the dot, come straight down, make sleeping line, make another straight line. It will make number 4. 10 and 4, 14. 10 and 4, 14. 14 sparrows chatter cheerfully on the tree. Spread your arms wide like wings and spin in a circle like this. Very good. I hope so you understood how could we teach number 14. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.